Across America's shipyards, generations of workers have built the vessels that protect our nation and connect our world. Today, advanced manufacturing and automation are transforming shipbuilding, creating safer, smarter, and more efficient ways to meet the needs of modern defense.
Innovation is stronger than I've ever seen it in the past. It's helping us with our workforce. It's helping us bring and onboard new hires quicker, using innovation, using technology, using augmented reality. But what it's also doing for the manufacturing process is it's helping us bring in automation, bringing in robotics, so that we can increase the pace of manufacturing through the end-to-end process and have higher first-time quality, so we can deliver ships at the pace the nation needs.
In the realm of shipbuilding, there are a host of job opportunities available, from the tradesmen and women who physically build the ships, pipe welders, pipe fitters, structural welders, structural fitters, machinists, the list goes on and on. We have logistics employees as well who receive the material and work in our warehouse, again, to make sure that the material gets to where it needs to go. Apprenticeships are, for us, internal programs that allow us to bring on a worker who may not have any shipyard experience whatsoever, and through a 4-year course of study, they ultimately earn an A-class certification.
The future of shipbuilding depends on people. Skilled craftspeople, engineers, and leaders working together to bring innovation to life. With the right training, technology, and teamwork, anything built by hand can stand the test of time.
Meeting our commitments is something that I hold dear for myself and for our team daily. We meet our commitments so that we can build trust with our customer, with our suppliers, with our workforce. When we say we're going to deliver a ship on time, we can be relied upon to do that. One of our core values is teamwork. We do pride ourselves in making sure that when we stub our toe or issues arise, which inherently they do in shipbuilding, we recognize that we have an issue. And so we literally rally around that to make sure that we resolve those issues as a team as fast as we can. So the teamwork and the collaboration are so important so that we have the speed to problem resolution.
At Austal USA, innovation meets tradition. From aluminum and steel ships to submarine modules, Austal is helping strengthen America's maritime defense with advanced technology and a world-class workforce.
Traditional shipbuilding today is the ship is broken out into modules, basically Lego blocks. Those Lego blocks come together to build the ship. What we do is we break those modules down into smaller sub-assemblies, and those sub-assemblies down into panels. So think of it as a house that is broken out into walls and a roof. Even that roof is built upside down. As those panels and those sub-assemblies travel down our outfitting process, they get assembled at the end to create a 3D large module, which then goes down and gets erected onto the ship.
This gives us an advantage from a safety perspective of quick and easy access to the space, improved ventilation to the space, gives us an opportunity to create a larger percentage of completion before the module shifts down the road.
It generally takes us about a year and a half to finish a ship. The level of complexity that we have, not only from the steel, but also through the outfitting, can't be overstated. There's thousands of parts, hundreds of suppliers, and I'm gonna stop short of saying 1 million man-hours, but there are a lot of man-hours that go into it.
Founded in Mobile, Alabama, Austal USA has redefined modern shipbuilding with a state-of-the-art facility, an industry-recognized apprenticeship program, and a commitment to delivering quality ships on time, on budget, and built to last.
Delivering ships that meet the highest standard of performance and reliability requires both technical rigor and a culture of ownership and commitment. These two concepts are inseparable. Technical excellence without the right culture leads to brittle outcomes, while strong culture without technical excellence leads to mediocrity. Culturally, it requires a mindset shift toward accountability. Technically, it demands advanced design practices, and most importantly, high-quality personnel who are excellent stewards of their trade and their industry.
We are being challenged right now in our sea lanes, making sure that we have enough ships in the water to be able to maintain the freedom of the seas, retaining our freedoms for you and for me, are the most important reason that we need to get additional ships in the water. We see ourselves as a thought partner with the Navy, the Coast Guard, so that we can help make sure that we drive through to solutions to keep our country at the forefront of freedom by delivering peace through strength.
For more information, visit austalusa.com.